Go for it. This is the elevator here at L.L.Bean at the Freehold Raceway Mall in Freehold, New Jersey.
Which used to be Borders.
Until 2011, correct.
Yep.
This is a Thyssenkrupp Aurora.
And, before you say that it's Sigma 4...
Wait till you see what's inside.
2.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, we're trying to take care of the
One.
Well, hold on a sec, Dante. You know what I like to do on these types of elevators? The old school way of ringing the bell.
Yep.
1.
I'd like to take one more ride.
Alright. Wait outside for you.
That's weird. The one button's a down button.
They didn't change the call station upstairs, though.
I like that lantern. Alright, here we go. Going down?
Yes. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too, thank you.
Alright, now let's ring the bell.
I forgot to mention the cab is still the same as it was when it was Borders.
That's it.